Modeling is a tough industry that keeps people involved on their toes. But it can also be very rewarding. If you can get enough exposure and some great deals, the industry will make you super rich. There are even stories from poverty to wealth in this industry. Here, take a look at the 10 highest paid models in the world in 2021.
Number 10.
Liu Wen. Net worth $18 million. Chinese model Liu Wen has contracts with Estée Lauder, and her high-end clothing brand La Perla make her one of the highest paid models in the world. She is the first model of East Asian descent to show at the Victoria's Secret fashion show.
Number 9.
Joan Smalls. Net worth $19 million. A catwalk enthusiast, the Puerto Rican star attends more shows than her peers on the list and still finds time to film campaigns for Estée Lauder, Moschino, and other fragrances.
Number 8.
Bella Hadid. Net worth $19 million. The youngest member of the list of highest paid models. The 22-year-old Hadid is the face of beauty for Dior Beauty, Bulgari, and Tag Heuer. Ads are still a standard fare, but more and more posts for their 21.7 million Instagram followers are what brands now find most valuable.
Number 7.
Gigi Hadid. Net worth $20 million. At the age of 22, Gigi became one of the highest paid models, with an estimated profit of $20 million. Her rise on the list is due in part to agreements with Maybelline, Tommy Hilfiger, BMW, and Topshop. Ranked in the top 50 models on models.com. Additionally, she was named International Model of the Year by the British Fashion Council.
Number 6.
Cara Delevingne. Net worth $31 million. Delevingne is a supermodel, actress, and fashion singer. She made her modeling debut at the age of 10, and then in 2009, after dropping out of school, Delevingne signed with Storm Model Management. Delevingne has twice won Model of the Year in 2012 and 2014 at the British Fashion Awards. She has appeared in shows for houses such as Dolce & Gabbana, Burberry, Mulberry, and Jason W. She has starred in such films as Anna Karenina, 2012, Paper Towns, 2015, and Suicide Squad, 2016. Among Askmen's most desirable women, Delevingne ranked 13th with 34 million dedicated Instagram followers, making her one of the most popular.
Number 5.
Adriana Lima. Net worth $31 million. Lima started thinking about modeling when she won a beauty pageant in elementary school. Then, at the age of 15, she entered Ford's Brazilian Supermodel contest. After that, she finished second in the Ford World's Supermodel competition. She then moved to New York City and signed with Elite Model Management, from where her career has just taken off. Since 2000, Lima has been a model spokesperson for Maybelline Cosmetics and Super Bowl commercials and Kia Motors from 2003 to 2009. She is best known as Victoria's Secret Angel. The longest-running angel in Victoria's Secret history, the Brazilian supermodel ranks 5th among the highest-paid models of 2021.
Number 4.
Rosie Huntington-Whiteley. Net worth $32 million. One of the most glamorous British models, Rosie Huntington-Whiteley is ranked 4th on our list. Earning $32 million is a homegrown talent. A royal family has cut their own series of lingerie, makeup, and fragrance lines for the department store Marks and Spencer's, representing majority newcomer, Rosie Huntington-Whiteley.
Number 3.
Gisele Bündchen. Net worth $35 million. Gisele Caroline Bündchen is a Brazilian model, actress, and producer. Bündchen began her rise as a model in the 90s. In 1999, she is credited with ending the era of the heroine chick model. Banchan has long been associated with many charities such as Doctors Without Borders and Save the Children, Red Cross. Although retired, Gisele Banchan once again reigns among the highest paid models. Everyone greets the reigning queen of wealthy supermodels. For more than 10 years, Gisele tops the list.
Number 2.
Chrissy Teigen. Net worth $39 million. Thanks to her gigantic social media presence, the former Sports Illustrated cover star has branched out beyond modeling into a cookware line, a second cookbook, and hosting the TV show Lip Sync Battle.
Number 1.
Kendall Jenner. Net worth $40 million. One of the most beautiful girls in the world right now. Kendall ranks first among the highest paid models in the world. Her ballet skills may have been criticized recently, but Kendall has made $40 million in the past year. We doubt she's worried about the haters. She is one of the most followed girls on Instagram.